welcome you to this course. I'm very excited to have you here. And in this first lesson, I'm going to be outlining the framework that we're going to be following throughout this class right here. In general, this framework, right, is composed of those 6 steps right here. It is a 6-step process, and in each lesson that will come in this course, we will be tackling one of these steps. The first thing that we're going to be doing, right, is that we're going to be researching our niche with AI. And what I mean when I say niche research is that we're going to be inputting as much information as we can regarding our niche. And if you will, we're going to be brainstorming our niche with the power of artificial intelligence in order to input again all of the information to ChatGPT to let AI know as much stuff as possible about our niche in order to again extract correct information about everything that will come in the next steps. So again, in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to research niche with, of course, using the correct prompts, and you're going to have a prompt list with all of the prompts that we're going to be using in this course. I don't want you to worry about this, right? And I'm going to be inputting all of the information regarding our niche, as well as brainstorming our niche with AI in order to subtract the correct information later on. Then in the second step, right, after we've brainstormed our niche and we know how we can infiltrate this niche, or at least we have selected which niche we want to infiltrate, if it is saturated, if it is unsaturated, all of that we're going to be doing in step 1. Then in step 2, we're going to be using AI, ChatGPT, and some specific prompts that I have designed for you, right, in order to outline our target audience. It is very important after we choose our niche and the sub niche that we're going to be targeting to outline our target audience so we have a general broad idea of the people that we're targeting, right? Their consumption habits, everything regarding our target audience. This is step 2. Right, in step 3, we're diving even deeper. And now that we have our target audience, it is time to put a name on them, right? And put a character on them. And this is why we're going to be creating our target avatar. Step 3 is the most important step of this framework, right? Because when we create our target avatar, we will be using this same target avatar to again research marketing campaigns and all that stuff. So it's very, very important for us to create a target avatar and make this target avatar relevant, right, with our target audience and with the niche that we have researched. And this way, as you can see, in the next lessons, we're going to have throughout explanation on how to input the correct information to the AI to create, again, to brainstorm the correct niches, to brainstorm the correct target audience, to create the correct target avatar, which again we will be targeting in the next steps. So step 4, after we have created our target avatar, one of the most important steps again after the creation of the target avatar is to brainstorm our target avatar's 10 core problems. So obviously when we're infiltrating a niche, right, and if we want to market using artificial intelligence, we're marketing products, we're marketing services, right, or products that are here to solve problems to the niche that we have infiltrated, right? And in our case, the target avatar, which represents your average person in our target audience, has problems, and we're going to be solving the 10 most important, the 10 most painful, if you will, core problems that this target avatar has, again, with using AI. And of course, in order for those 10 core problems to be correct, and in order for those 10 core problems and the solutions, most importantly, of those 10 core problems to be relevant, we need to have a great target avatar created, which comes from creating a great target audience and researching the correct niche. So after we brainstorm the target avatar's 10 core problems, in step 5, we're going to be using artificial intelligence to suggest solutions to these problems, right? And these solutions are going to be pretty much the marketing, the products and the services that we're going to be marketing, right? In general, we're going to be suggesting solutions which could be different products, different services, different types of products and different types of services that we can apply to solve our target avatar's 10 core problems. And after AI, and by the way, you might already know the solutions to those 10 core problems, which would be the products that you're called to market, right? But we need to use AI to brainstorm and suggest solutions to our target avatar's 10 core problems, because afterwards, right, we're going to be using AI to brainstorm how we can reach our target avatar by solving his 10 core problems. So in the 6th step of this framework right here that I presented, we're going to be using AI, which at this point it's going to be very educated on our niche, on our target audience, on our target avatar, on in general the problems that we're solving. So the AI obviously is going to be very, very educated, right? and we're going to be brainstorming how we can reach again our target avatar with the solutions to his 10 core problems. I hope that this lesson wasn't confusing for you. I know that this was a lot of information. Everything's going to make perfect sense for you, and it's going to be very powerful due to the fact that you're going to have the prompt list with all of the prompts that we're going to be using. So it's just literally a plug and play system for your AI, right? For your GPT model, right? So I hope you understood this in general framework, the outlining process of this class, and I invite you to join me to the next lesson, in which we're going to start with researching our niche with AI. Right? Thank you very much. I'm going to see you there.